If you're looking for the best 5 travel gadgets, this video is for you. We created this list based on user reviews, quality price testing, and user experience testing. If you want to get the most recent prices for the devices, be sure to click on the product links in the description and first pinned comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's dive in. On number 5, we have the Anker Portable Charger. When it comes to portable power banks, the Anker Portable Charger, also known as the PowerCore Slim 10K PD, is revolutionary. It's made to keep your gadgets charged and prepared for anything the day may bring. Imagine being able to charge your iPhone 12 to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's the kind of fast, efficient charging you can expect from the 20-watt USB-C port on the PowerCore Slim 10K PD. This impressive feature is perfect for those moments when you need a quick boost of power to get through the day. Whether you're at the airport waiting for your flight or on a long train ride, this portable charger ensures that you won't be left scrambling for an outlet. But the PowerCore Slim 10K PD isn't just about rapid charging. It also comes with a 12-watt USB port, which allows you to charge a second device simultaneously. This dual-port capability means you can keep both your phone and your tablet powered up at the same time, making it an excellent tool for busy travelers, students, or professionals who need to stay connected across multiple devices. Despite its powerful performance, this portable charger is incredibly slim and lightweight. At only 0.6 inches thick, it fits effortlessly into any backpack, purse, or work bag. Its sleek design ensures that you can carry it with you without adding bulk or weight to your load. This slim profile doesn't compromise on capacity though. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, the PowerCore Slim 10K PD provides ample power to charge your iPhone 13 more than once, your Samsung S20 more than 1.5 times, or an iPad mini 5 once. This robust battery life ensures that you can depend on this power bank to keep your devices charged throughout the day, no matter where you are. Number 4. Lean Travel Compression Packing Cubes. These smart travel organizers are designed to help you maximize your luggage space while keeping your clothes and accessories neatly sorted so you can enjoy a stress-free travel experience. Imagine arriving at your destination and opening your suitcase to find everything perfectly organized and wrinkle-free. With the Lean Travel Compression Packing Cubes, this vision becomes a reality. These packing cubes come in a variety of sizes, allowing you to categorize your items and pack with precision. Whether you're organizing shirts, pants, or even shoes and accessories, these cubes offer the optimal solution for keeping your essentials in order. One of the standout features of these packing cubes is their innovative compression design. Equipped with double zippers, these cubes are built to eliminate excess air and compress your clothes to save valuable space in your suitcase. This thoughtful design means you can fit more into your luggage without sacrificing organization or comfort. Say goodbye to the days of struggling to close your overstuffed suitcase and hello to a compact and efficiently packed bag. Crafted from 100% high-quality polyester, the Lean Travel Compression Packing Cubes are as durable as they are functional. The premium polyester fabric is designed to withstand the rigors of travel, from rough airport handling to the wear and tear of a busy vacation. Despite its resilience, the fabric remains lightweight, making these cubes a convenient and practical addition to your travel gear. The thoughtful design extends to the ease of use as well. Each packing cube features mesh panels that offer excellent visibility into the contents of your cubes. This means you can quickly identify what you need without having to dig through your entire suitcase. No more endless rummaging through disorganized piles of clothing, just a clear and straightforward way to find your items and save time on your travels. Ever misplaced your keys and spent what felt like forever searching for them? Well, the TileMate Keys Finder is here to save the day. This nifty little gadget attaches to your keychain and syncs with your smartphone. So, if you ever lose your keys, you can easily locate them using the Tile app. No more frantic searches or lost keys. Just peace of mind. Imagine traveling to a foreign country and not knowing the language. It can be quite intimidating, right? That's where the Kettle M3 earbuds come in handy. These innovative earbuds offer real-time translation in over 40 languages. Just pop them in and you'll be able to have conversations with locals effortlessly. It's like having a personal translator in your ear, making your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Staying connected while traveling is essential, and the Rwii mobile router ensures you're always online. This compact device provides a secure and reliable internet connection no matter where you are. Whether you're working remotely or just want to share your travel moments on social media, the Rwii mobile router has got you covered. Say goodbye to unreliable Wi-Fi and hello to seamless connectivity. And there you have it, folks. Some of the most innovative travel gadgets to make your journeys more enjoyable and stress-free. From finding your keys with the TileMate to real-time translations with the Kettle M3 earbuds, and staying connected with the Rwii mobile router. These gadgets are designed to enhance your travel experience. Safe travels, and until next time, happy adventuring.